45-year-olds are reversing office body in 14 days. Stiff hips, rounded shoulders, frozen spine, gone. The secret comes from Shaolin monks who sit in meditation for hours but never stiffen up. MIT biomechanics researchers finally understand why. And it's not flexibility, it's not strength. It's a 5-minute hydraulic system that pumps hydration back into dried fascia. You feel it every morning. The stiffness when you stand, the tightness in your hips, your shoulders rolled forward like you're still hunched over a keyboard. You're 35, but your body feels 55. You've tried stretching, yoga, foam rolling. Nothing sticks because you're not fixing the real problem. Your fascia is drying out. Fascia is the thin layer of tissue wrapping every muscle, every organ, every nerve in your body. When it's hydrated, you move like water. When it dries out, it becomes brittle, like old leather left in the sun. 8 hours sitting at a desk accelerates this. Your fascia gets stuck in that hunched position. It dries, it stiffens, it locks you into office body. Research shows that aging results in reduced water content in tendons and connective tissue. Dehydration of the tissue matrix causes increased stiffness and reduced elasticity. Physical therapists are now calling this the tech neck epidemic. But the solution isn't more stretching. Stretching doesn't rehydrate fascia. You need movement that activates the tissue's self-repair mechanism. The monk secret, 1,500 years hidden. Shaolin monks have practiced slow circular movements for over 1,500 years. They called it the muscle tendon change, training the sinews, tendons, ligaments, and fascia. Modern science calls it fascia mechanobiology. When you move a joint in slow circles, you create pressure changes in the tissue. Low pressure on one side, high pressure on the other. This pumps fluid into dried fascia like a hydraulic system. The tissue rehydrates. It softens. It glides again. MIT researchers studying biomechanics found that micro-movements trigger fascia's built-in repair system. The slow circles create suction that pulls hydration back into dehydrated tissue. Blood flow increases. Inflammation drains. Range of motion restores. This is the mechanism monks have used for centuries. They weren't stretching, they were pumping. The Flow Code 5 Gates Protocol. This is the Flow Code. 5 minutes, 5 joints. Each movement activates one gate. Gate 1, ankle spirals, the gate of flow. Stand with feet hip-width apart. Lift your right foot slightly off the ground. Make 20 slow circles with your ankle. Clockwise first, then 20 counterclockwise. This drains inflammation pooled in your lower legs from sitting all day. You're pumping fresh fluid up from the ground. Switch to your left ankle. Same thing. 20 circles each direction. Gate 2. Knee circles. The gate of stability. Place hands on your knees. Feet stay flat. Make small circles with your knees. 15 circles to the right, then 15 to the left. You're restoring synovial fluid in the joint. This is the oil that makes knees glide smoothly. Sitting all day dries it up. This movement pumps it back. Gate 3. Hip circles. The gate of youth. Hands on your hips. Feet shoulder-width apart. Make slow circles with your hips, like you're polishing the inside of a barrel. 20 circles clockwise, 20 circles counterclockwise. This is the most important gate. Your hips hold all the tension from sitting.
Lower back pain, tight hamstrings, stiff pelvis. It all lives here. The circular motion creates pressure waves that squeeze old stagnant fluid out and pull fresh hydration in. You should feel warmth spreading through your hips. That's blood flow returning. Gate 4. Spinal wave, the gate of vitality. Stand with knees slightly bent. Roll your spine forward slowly. Let your head hang. Then roll back up, arching gently backward. Do this 10 times, slow and controlled. This increases cerebrospinal fluid flow, the fluid that bathes your brain and spinal cord. It also rehydrates the discs between your vertebrae. These discs are mostly water when you're young. They dry out from sitting. This movement pumps water back in. Gate 5. Shoulder spirals, the gate of energy. Extend your arms out to the sides. Make slow circles with your shoulders. Forward 15 times, backward 15 times. This activates lymphatic drainage in your upper body. All that tension in your neck and shoulders, it's trapped fluid and inflammation. The spiraling motion pumps it out through your lymph system. Your shoulders should feel lighter immediately. That's the fascia releasing. Want automatic stress relief? Try Snap Tap Relax. Upload your photo once, activate a session, then turn your phone completely off. People report feeling calmer without doing anything. It's free to try. Download on iOS and Android. The transformation. What to expect? The changes happen fast. Day 1, your joints feel oiled, like someone greased your hinges. That morning stiffness is cut in half. Week 1, you notice your posture correcting itself. Your shoulders naturally pull back. Your hips open up. You're not forcing it. The fascia is remembering its natural position as it rehydrates. Week 2, inflammation drops significantly. That constant low-grade achiness from sitting all day, it fades. Physical therapists using fascia manipulation therapy report patients feel 10 to 20 years younger in movement quality. Day 30, your range of motion improves dramatically. You can touch your toes without strain, twist without pain, squat without your knees screaming. This isn't just feeling better. Your fascia has actually rehydrated. Studies show it takes 14 to 30 days of consistent micro-movements to restore tissue hydration levels. You're reversing years of drying in 1 month. You now have a 1,500-year-old movement code validated by modern biomechanics. 5 minutes, 5 gates. No equipment, no gym. Just you activating your body's hydraulic repair system. Do this once tomorrow morning before you sit down at your desk. Notice how your body feels lighter and looser all day. Then do it every morning for 14 days and watch office body disappear. The flow code isn't theory. It's your fascia's built-in rehydration mechanism. The monks knew it. MIT proved it. Now, go use it.